We talk about how can you enable partner suggestion notifications on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go up of your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just go up of this sign, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. You just click here on notification settings here, click on it. So when you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notification categories. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just come here to partner suggestions. So then you click in this side, and like you see this color show for us. That's my partner suggestion notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.